I have a question. You
Yes.
said government hospital has army. Why there is army? Why there is available army?
Because they are protect the patient, okay?
Because if
Just like a
if
hospital,
army
just like a
available in
police.
government hospital, because army know there is a doctor is very thick. They still body
Yes,
parts.
yes.
So there is available police
It is,
and army.
it is only private hospital, and
No.
private hospital doctors only do business, and they selling the body
Private
parts
hospital,
of
there
the
is no
patient.
army. Listen.
Excuse
Private
me.
hospital there is no army, there is no police, because there is no doctor thief. They don't
There
steal
is
body
no,
parts.
there is no peon, there is no employee, there is no
How
nurse.
can you say that? How can you say that?
Because
There is
you are
available-
also saying
there is
that
available
you are
doctor.
also saying there is no police, there is no army without yes, I accept, because there is no accidental case to accept in private
No,
hospital.
there is available.
Not take the accidental
You
case.
go and you take treatment.
Because there is
I
no
think you
police,
should
there
go-
is no
you
army.
should go to private hospital, not government hospital.
Excuse me.
You should support private hospital, not government hospital.
I support government because there is a police, and on any accidental case only take the government hospital, not private hospital.
hospital
You know
also
also,
take,
you
I
know,
know very
you know that,
well.
you know that.
I know very well.
What? No, I think you have no proper knowledge
I have
about
proper
that,
knowledge, okay?
about hospitals.
I know proper knowledge about
So,
private hospital.
so why are you not convincing my point?
Because your point is
Because it's right. That's why I'm
your
saying.
point is bogus.
That's what I'm saying, because. Okay.
You said a private hospital doctor. Private hospital, it is a not hospital. This is a business. How can you say that?
Yes. Yes. It is
if
an.
If you have a Ayushman card, you should go and you take free treatment in private hospital.
If you have no 18 years old, so what will they do? If you have
You
Yes.
go and you take free
without
treatment.
if you have no any Ayushman card, because
AR
yes,
hospital is free.
you have no Ayushman
AR
card without
hospital this is a
you,
free, okay, for poor.
if any
poor.
girls and boys without teens, just like 18 plus, okay, without
I think you don't know AR
May-
hospital. This is a free for poor people.
private
You
hospital
should-
never
you go and
never
take a-
free for
You
poor
don't
people.
have proper knowledge
Okay.
for private hospital. You don't know, okay?
Yeah, yes,
If
I
you
know,
if you
I
so
know.
you know,
Private
very-
hospitals only take your bill as possible as high. How to make your bill as high? Yes, they are selling.
You said private hospital doctors doing discrimination, but this is a not reality. This is a fake news.
Oh my God.
This is because the government hospital doctor is scolding a patient and abusing also patient.
Excuse
if
me.
a senior
If-
person, we have a lots of case.
I have saw a lots of case. In private hospitals, if you have no money, they don't talk the patient. There is
If you
no
don't
money.
have money, you
If
go and you take
yes, but
treatment. You go and you take treatment.
they avoid the patient if there is no money. Avoid the patient in.
This is happen only government hospital.
Excuse me, government hospital free for poor people and poor family and middle class family
If you
also.
go government hospital, firstly they give a long page and there is a right medicine name. Medicine
Yes,
name.
because they-
You go outside and you purchase.
Excuse me, medicines also available in government
2,500
hospitals,
rupees
okay?
You can purchase
No.
medicine, okay?
I am also.
I know very well.
I treat also myself, okay, and with my father, and I take only one. I give only 1 rupees. So that's why my
think
treatment
you
is also
go
easily.
private. I think you go private hospital.
No.
You give only 1 rupees and they treat.
I think you stole my point, okay? You stole the government point. You stole.
This is a private hospital point, okay?
Sir, she is stolen my point.